I do agree that the road connectivity in TTADC area is in deplorable condition. It is due to insufficient flow of funds for upgradation of ADC road into all-weather road, Paka road, since long back. Recently, TTADC has taken initiative for upgradation of ADC own routes into all-weather road in phased manner. Accordingly, various project proposals are submitted for seeking fund to the Article 275(1) provision, that is SCA, Special Central Assistance, SCA means TSB, Tribal Supplant, NESIDS, Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme, and MGNREGA, etc. In this way, we do hope that we will be able to upgrade all ADC road into all-weather road within the coming 5 years period, subject to availability of funds. Thank you.